Now in case of dog, this is the skeleton of dog. We are going to discuss in detail about the sacrum. Here we can see the sacrum of dog. These are the lumbar vertebrae, and then sacrum. Here we can see they are fused three segment and is short, wide and quadrangular. We can see it is quadrangular in this manner. Next thing is the articular process are vestigial here. Here we can see articular process are vestigial in this aspect. Similarly in this side aspect also we can see, and we can see they are vestigial and represented on the side of the median crest. So this is the median crest. On the side we can see the vestigial articular process in this manner as a pair of tubercle. So we can see 1 2 1 2. So in the form of pair these articular process are present as tubercle, and lateral to these are the two dorsal sacral foramina. So we can see first and second. So two dorsal sacral foramina, first and second. Similarly in this side also first and second. So two dorsal sacral foramina we can see, and the pelvic face is deeply concave. Here we can see this is concave in appearance in this aspect, as we can see here. So the pelvic face is deeply concave, and that is also representing the ventral sacral foramina, as we can see from this side. That one is this one here and another is this one. So ventral sacral foramina on the pelvic face we can see, and wings are prismatic. Here we can see they are prismatic in appearance in this aspect and the anterior aspect. So wings are prismatic and very high. Their lateral faces are extensive and faces almost directly inward in this manner. Here we can see, and bear an auricular surface on the lower part. So this is the auricular surface in this aspect, on the lower part in this aspect. Then the transverse process of the last segment project backward. So this we can see, this is the projecting backward, and may articulate or fuse with those of the first coccygeal vertebrae. So this is the first coccygeal vertebrae we can see in this manner. So it is found here, and it may articulate in this aspect. So this is the first coccygeal vertebrae and it may articulate here. The spinal canal is compressed dorsoventrally. As we can see here, the spinal canal is dorsoventrally compressed. So this is the sacrum of dog.